Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier Stax Spirit S5 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, if they keep disconnecting, not making sound, anything like that where it's bugging can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of them so that you can set them up like a new set of headphones. This will do this for you and it's really easy to do. They just need to be on and not connected to anything for this to work. They shouldn't be Bluetooth connected or connected to anything physically. And all you need to do once they're on and not connected to anything is you're just going to come in and you're going to tap this multifunction button here 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep an eye on the indicator light down here while you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if it's successful, this will blink 6 times here, and then it will do its factory reset, and then it will automatically go into pairing mode, and you can go ahead and then just set these up like you're setting them up for the first time.